Today we are gonna make potato bake with cheese and creamy sauce. First what we do, we just boil the potato for about 5 minutes. So after boiling for about 5 minutes, so the potato is a bit soft but a bit hard as well. So what you do now, we just like that, just a bit of a salt, not too much. So now when we're gonna cut the potato, you will get slowly salt going inside the potato. You will get a better taste. Not too much salt. First cut the 2 pieces. So after that you slice the potato. After you cut all the potatoes, it's gonna be like this, ready for the oven. So what you do now, into the milk, you add a bit of salt. Not too much salt, just tiny bit. The milk. Get some pepper around it. This pepper is very hot. Shredded tasty cheese. Tasty cheese like this. Mozzarella cheese now. Now we just have a garlic. Rosemary to get the more flavor.